it's Missy from Jake and Me Van Life. I have a surprise. So right now I've left where I'm from and I'm headed north up to Wyoming, but I have somebody special with me, my granddaughter Aurey.
Hello.
Tell me how old you are.
I am 14 years old.
14. She looks like she's about 16 or 17, doesn't she? Anyhow, we wanted to say hi because we're going to be videotaping all weekend and Aurey's going to be in it too. And I just wanted to introduce her so you could see what an awesome granddaughter I have.
Yeah, man, I'm awesome.
Yeah, you're awesome. It's going to be fun. We'll be back. Look what Aurey's doing. She's eating lunch. Aurey, what you doing?
I'm eating food. My lunch.
What you having?
I'm having a honey ham sandwich.
Ooh, yummy. What else is on there?
Pickles, cheese, ham, and honey mustard.
Yummy, yummy. And what you doing while you're eating?
I'm watching the lake, the water.
Oh, nice. Oh, it is coming through there pretty. See if I can. Oh, the bright white light is so bright it's hard to see it.
Thank you, Grammy. You're the best.
So let's do it like this and move them down. That way we can get it all. Aurey thinks she can beat me at cornhole. I got news for her. We shall see. You didn't get a single one, did you, darling? I got it. Let me put a little bit of this on my hand. There. I'll put some of that stuff, spray on my hand. Where's your, oh, look. Aurey? It sure did. Bam, here it comes. Bam! 4-1. Woo! That's 4 points! 4 points! Woo! That's close! Yeah, Jake, she did all that bragging. So did I, though. Oh, so ladylike. So ladylike. You cracked me up, girl. That's my granddaughter, Aurey. So we're going to play this game. It's called, this is really kind of cool. It's a fun game. Oh, I got to get my big booty out of the way. I got my jammies on. You should put your jammies on for the pajama party. It is called Taco, Cat, Goat, Cheese, Pizza. It is hilarious. It's fun and it's hilarious.
Do you want to mix up our decks again?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's start over. We'll say you won that one. How's that sound? Well, I forgot to tell you guys too, regarding the cornhole. Aurey, would you like to tell them who won and who lost?
I won and she lost.
Oh, she's a lying little granddaughter.
I won.
I won. Aurey lost. But now playing this game, which Aurey's played many, probably hundreds of times.
I've only played it twice.
Isn't she just beautiful?
That's suspicious. Y'all should, she should post this recipe.
It's cutting off half my head.
What?
Is it?
No.
No, it's not. Okay. Because, you know, I'm so important to be in this video. You'd have thought we were playing poker. Okay. So what you do in the game is, as you play a card, you start at the top. Taco, she plays a card. Cat. Well, if the card, and I say taco, is a picture of a taco, you hit it, and the other person gets the deck or the cards that are laid down right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I dealt, so you go first.
Taco.
Cat. Wait a minute. There.
Go.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Dang it. So she got the pile because the last card was pizza.
No, it's
Look where your hand's on top of the grill. Taco.
Take it.
I hit too hard that time. That one kind of hurt.
I'm ruthless.
Okay, your turn.
Taco.
Cat.
Go.
Oh, I did this. I did a lot better the last game. She almost lost.
Dude.
Okay.
I am ruthless.
My 13-year-old granddaughter, who I thought was turning 16, she turned 14. I thought she's turned 16.
Cuckoo.
She's kicking my butt. We are camping out here at Lake Caddy, just over the border in Wyoming, outside of Laramie. It's a great place at the reservoir. Although I was surprised and shocked this time, the reservoir was really low. They haven't had hardly any rain this summer, she said. Well, the lady at the gas station told me, and you can tell. But we're camping out. Jake's over there laying down in his bed, and we're playing cards. She's whooping my butt. Are you going to do it that way, really? Is that all you have left? Is really that?
Yeah.
Okay, show the piles. There's mine.
And there's my... Really?
All right.
Taco.
Cat. Look at there. I'm coming back. Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Look at there. Taco.
Cat.
Goat. That was a tie. Just leave it down there as for the pile. Okay. Taco. There it is. See, you got it anyhow. Taco. Ah!
Well, you.
No, it wasn't. You liar. You lie. Look at you. You just trying. Oh, I know it's you. Taco.
Cat.
Goat. We both do.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Oh, shoot. That was a cat, not a goat. She's cheating on me, Jake. Taco. That one's yours.
Yeah, it's
I hate you. All right. Taco.
Cat.
Goat. Brown dog. I did before, and I did it right this time. I was always going on what was that, the groundhog? I was always going like this, and she did the right thing. So this time, finally, I did it right. I did it right, and she went like this. That's funny. Sorry. Grammy loves you.
No, you're not. You can. I can't say that word.
Okay, go. No, you can't.
Taco. No,
Cat.
I'm here.
Taco. Taco.
Cat.
Goat. Oh, shoot. Pizza.
Taco.
Cat. You snooze, you lose, my darling. Got the cat. Or whatever it was. Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Look whose hands on the top of the pile. Whose hands on mine?
Goat.
Cheese. I lost.
Cat.
Oh, shoot. You did get that. Shoot! That was my pizza. Gorilla. I won. There ain't no such thing as a narwhal.
Yes, there is.
Show me.
Wait.
I want to see. Okay, everybody. NARWHAL on here.
Yep. They're real.
It does not have a thing coming out
That's
of it.
a horn right there.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah.
Unicorn of the sea. I did not know that. I learned something new today. Thank you. I will admit, she taught me something today. See, grandkids can even teach you something. Cheese.
Pizza. Taco.
Cat. Shoot. Okay. Gorilla.
Cheese.
There's no gorilla.
I won.
You won. Good job. What time is it? What time is it, people?
It is 4:08.
Oh, it's time to stop. TV time. And Jake's hungry. Jakey.